Okay, we're getting into the shop now. Got an old sandblaster there, and first thing hanging from the ceiling's been hanging there most of its life inside. It's a 40-gallon sprayer for 3-point hitch. I just put it in the back of the pickup truck usually. And we got some hoses and cables and big galvanized tub. Thing full of ropes and other small things. There's the toolbox coming up here. It's a Craftsman toolbox on a J.C. Penney roll-around box. It's pretty well full of tools. Got bunches and bunches. Anyways, got another roll around here. Got tap and die sets. We got, I think, 3 torque wrenches and a set of 3/4 inch drive sockets. Got more hammers than I ever wanted. Sprayers and an oxyacetylene rig, a grinder and a vise and a little table. Got this clothes thing here. It's some kind of an antique out of an old farmhouse. Can't tell you a whole lot about it. We still got the key. Anyway, got some pipe wrenches and all kinds of other electrical tools here, looks like. And a pretty darn good battery charger. Got some old Rambler wheels, hubcaps and brakes. And then over here we got just a whole bunch of tools. There's a Boss Stitch air gun, air nailer, a Boss Stitch stapler, some off-brand air tools, and an earthquake wrench, air wrench here that works good. Got a Hitachi grinder in there, very new. Apollo PEX crimp tool set, Stadia concrete grinder, big Milwaukee drill, and a Bosch hammer drill with a bunch of bits.